I got sent this 12 pack of rock lights to test and give my honest opinion. So let me go ahead and take these things out, let you see what's in there, and then get them installed on the truck. All right, so there's actually a lot of stuff packed in that box. So first you have 12 light pods. That's the front of the pod, that's the back of the pod, and these are the actual lights that you will put under your vehicle or somewhere on your vehicle, and then they have the cable here with connectors on the end. You have a bracket. Basically, it's like a rubberized mounting point that you can put under your vehicle that allows you to route the wires properly underneath there so they don't snag. You got a product manual, and you have a document that shows you all the different wide uses that you would have for these lights. You got nuts and bolts for the pod lights to be mounted. You have a couple extension cables in case you need to move a couple of those a little further away. You have the wiring harness that puts all of these lights together. And then you have the on and off switch that has a solenoid in it and the cables that you would run to your battery or your fuse box, wherever you're going to power these. So there's quite a bit here. I'm gonna go ahead and get this kind of sorted out, figure out where I wanna put these on the truck, and let you see what it looks like. So I got the cables all laid out and the pods laying on the ground there. I am going to get this underneath the truck so I can figure out exactly where I want to put these lights. All right, so I got the rock lights now installed. Let me show you some of what I did. So as you can see, there's a rock light. It's a little bit wet under here because I ran through the car wash. I got one of those in each wheel well. This one's mounted right there. Got some mounted underneath the truck in the front bumper. So I've got all 12 rock lights mounted on my truck. I got 2 on the front bumper, 2 on the rear bumper, 4 underneath the main body of the vehicle, and then 1 in each wheel well. I think they're where I want to put them, but I zip tied them in instead of actually screwing them to the frame or to the body of the vehicle, so that way I could change them later if I want. But they look pretty cool, but you can't see the real effect very well because it's daylight. I'm gonna wait till it gets a little darker and then I'll turn them on so you can see them. All right, so nighttime is here and I got to check them out, and wow, I gotta say I love them. They provide so much. This 12 pod kit is awesome. I was able to put, again, 1 in every wheel well and 8 underneath the truck. So that let me put 2 on the rear bumper, 2 on the front bumper, 4 in the middle of the truck, and then 1 in each wheel well. And it is lighting up awesome. I mean, I couldn't ask for anything better. I was extremely pleased turning on that light, and they are super bright. I mean, if you need to work on your truck, you could just get up underneath there. This is the beam from the front. The wheel wells are lit up well. All underneath the truck is lit up well. I mean, I am extremely impressed. So if you're wanting to know from me, definitely 2 thumbs up for this product. I'm very happy with these. Well, if this review was helpful, if you would give it a thumbs up. If you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed to the channel, if you would do that, that really helps me out. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. Y'all take care.